found out through actually through the nursery. The staff members were promoting it. We read into it then on the website and thought it was a really good thing that we could partake in, and it would benefit us. As a family, it's enabled me to continue work and to carry on, and to maybe do some more hours as well also, without having to really juggle how I'm going to pick the children up, or who's going to have them, where I'm going to try and get them to. So it's really benefited me, and they enjoy it as well. They enjoy spending the extra time with the children of their own age, and they're learning as well. So it's a win-win situation, really. I would recommend anybody to sign up for it. At the end of the day, you've got 30 hours of childcare to enable you to go and work, to provide for your family, and to show a good work ethic to your children. They learn, they get to play with friends. There are no negatives to it. You can also use it in the summer holidays or the Easter holidays, etc. So you don't have to worry about where you're going to find those extra hours in work, or how you're going to get the time off, or who's going to look after the children, because it's taken care of. So it's great.